Unleash the power with this Ego 3200 PSI pressure washer review. Tired of grimy patios and dirty driveways? Get ready to blast away the dirt with the Ego HPW 3200 pressure washer. We're diving deep into this cordless powerhouse to see if it lives up to the hype. The Ego HPW 3200 is a 56V cordless pressure washer that promises up to 3200 PSI of cleaning power. It's part of the Ego Power Plus family, known for its battery-powered outdoor tools. This model doesn't include batteries or a charger, so keep that in mind. This pressure washer boasts peak power TM technology, combining two Ego 56-volt batteries for maximum performance. It delivers up to 60 minutes of runtime with two 6-amp-hour batteries, sold separately. The wand has an integrated display for mode selection and battery status. This machine comes loaded with features. It includes multiple nozzles, 15 to ground, 25 to ground, 40 to ground, turbo and rinse, a foam cannon, and a siphon hose. The telescopic handle and quick connect points make setup and storage a breeze. You can connect it to a garden hose or draw water from a bucket using the siphon hose. The pressure is adjustable with Eco, High, and Turbo modes. It's designed for powerful and efficient cleaning. Users rave about its quiet operation and powerful cleaning capabilities. Many appreciate the flexibility of cordless operation and the ability to draw water from a bucket. Some users have noted that the battery life can be a concern for larger jobs. One user on Amazon praised its power and quietness, noting it's a beast of a machine. Another mentioned using 6 10-amp-hour batteries for a large fence project. However, one user reported a concerning issue with the unit catching fire. You can check out all the reviews on the product page on Amazon. If you're looking for a powerful cordless pressure washer for home use, the Ego HPW 3200 is a strong contender. Just be mindful of the battery requirements and potential limitations for extended use. Ready to ditch the gas and embrace cordless cleaning? Then this is the product just for you.